In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off location in Google Chrome so websites can't access your location data. This is a simple privacy setting that can help you stay more in control of what websites can see, and it only takes a minute to change. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu. Click that menu to open Chrome's main settings options. From the drop-down list, click Settings. Now you're in the Chrome settings page. On the left-hand side, find and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls for cookies, browsing data, website permissions, and other important privacy options. After that, click Site Settings. This is where Chrome keeps permissions for things like camera, microphone, notifications, and location. Next, scroll down until you see Location and click it. This page controls which websites are allowed to request your location. If location access is turned on, websites may be able to ask for your approximate whereabouts when you visit them. If you want to stop that, this is the setting you need to change. To turn it off, select Don't allow sites to see your location. Once you choose this option, websites will no longer be able to request your location in Chrome. That means your browser will block location access unless you change this setting again later. This is a great option if you want more privacy, fewer permission prompts, or you simply don't want sites tracking where you are. If you ever need to turn location back on for a specific website later, you can always return to this same menu and adjust the setting again. Chrome also lets you manage permissions for individual sites, so you can keep general location access off while allowing only trusted websites when needed. And that's it. You've successfully turned off location in Google Chrome. It's a quick change, but it can make a big difference in your privacy settings. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more easy Chrome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.